like you fell from grace. Took away my pain, don't ask me why I can't make you feel the same. I take everything inside of me and do my best to spread it evenly, but I still come up short every now and then. Don't always do my best. I pray for sunshine, hoping for the rain, thinking maybe that might ease my pain. I want you till the end. The walls are closing in. I cannot just pretend that I'm not hurting. I try to keep myself together. My mind seems to get me for the better, and I still come up short every now and then. Don't always do my best. I pray for sunshine, hoping for the rain, thinking maybe that might ease my pain. And sooner or later, something's got to give. Every day I wake up, keep on living like this, and I still come up short every now and then. Don't always do my best. I pray for sunshine, hoping for the rain, thinking maybe that might ease my pain.